Hey, what's up guys, my name is Rajdeep and you are watching Security Hub. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize your Linux terminal style in very easy way. So there are many options available for customize your Linux terminal, but I'm going to show you is very simple way. So please follow my instruction for changing your Linux terminal style. So I'm using a Linux distro called Kali Linux. You can use any Linux distribution as per your need. So this tutorial work for any Linux distribution and even Mac OS. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. So watch this video.
In the dark, and I'm right on the middle mark. I'm just in the tier of everything that rides below the surface. And I watch from a distant 17, be sure of the others' dreams of being golden and on top. It's not that you painted it in my head. So much there instead of all the colors that I saw. We all are living in a dream, but life ain't what it seems. Oh, everything's a mess, and all these sorrows I have seen, they lead me to believe that everything's a mess. But I wanna dream, leave me to dream. In the eyes of a teenage crystallized, oh, the prettiest of lights that hang the hallways of the home. And the cries from the strangers out at night, they don't keep us up at night. We have the curtains drawn and closed. We all are living in a dream, but life ain't what it seems. Oh, everything's a mess, and all these sorrows I have seen, they lead me to believe that everything's a mess. I wanna dream, I It starts with